chuck roast. I cut off half because I only need half right now. I will do the rest later. I am actually going to make some beef stew. So I have been cutting these into bread-sized pieces. And then I am going to put these into my Instant Pot. Brown these up really quickly on the saute function. And then I'm just going to put the rest of the vegetables in. It is really seriously raining here in Sacramento, so I figured something warm for lunch, and then of course for dinner would be the best thing. There is all the meat that I'm going to use for my beef stew. Start my Instant Pot, getting it a little bit warm. I did put a tablespoonful of just normal oil in there. So I will brown these up really quickly and then add the vegetables. Little things of celery, which we just washed. It's not looking so good. That one. Put these into basically French-sized pieces. These are going to disintegrate your pot while you're cooking that. One onion. One zucchini left, so I'm definitely going to do this one too. Carrots. In with my meat, I'm probably going to put this onion in there too. That way the onion can brown up as much as I can find. Alright, onions in. So it is working right now. So we're just going to wait for that all to saute up, and then I will put in my vegetables and my seasoning. And it'll cook for about an hour and it'll be done. Alright, so this piece of my chuck steak is going to go for some street tacos, and then I'm also going to make some quesadillas. I just saw Josh Weissman do it on YouTube and it looks really good, and I think my kids will like it, so I'm just going to make this other pound of meat into basically taco. So there we go, meat's all cut up. So I just have to wait for my beef stew to get done in my Instant Pot, and then I'm gonna put this all in with some taco seasoning and some water, and I'm going to basically cook it until the meat falls apart. We'll see you then.